how to create an original YouTube video and how to make it go viral as well. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make a YouTube video from scratch and hopefully make it go viral as well. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So right now I'm on YouTube, all right? So as you can see, I have a pretty weird search history. It varies from things to things, so that's because that's the YouTube algorithm. It sees what I'm interested in and shows me the things that I want to see. So that's how it works. So let me just show you. Let me just open up an incognito tab over here and click on YouTube so that you can see a cleaner version of YouTube. So over here, this is a cleaner version of YouTube. Nothing over here, all right? It's just giving me trendy videos and stuff like that. Whether I'm interested in them or not, it's just giving me trending videos. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how you can find different topics. So to find different topics, you're going to have to first see what kind of videos you want to make. It can be vlogs, it can be workout videos, it can be about explanation videos, it can be anything you want. So for example, let's just come over here. For example, I'm going to show you this tool, this website called YouTube Trends. All right, now in YouTube Trends, what you can do is you can search different things or different topics, and you can see whether or not people are searching for them or they are popular or not. So for example, if I go back over onto the incognito version of YouTube, and I just simply search for let's just say workout videos or yoga videos, right? I just simply search for workout at home, or like these type of videos. And over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see different videos that have hundreds and thousands of views. We're just simply gonna open these videos. All right, have I opened this one up? 30 minutes, yeah. And we'll just open this up, and we'll just open this up. We'll just keep them at that, right? We'll open this up as well. Now the YouTube algorithm has registered that I am watching these videos. All right, as you can see, let me just come over here, right? It's registered that I'm watching these videos. And also another thing that I'm using, there is this tool called TubeBuddy, and I can easily find out things about different websites as well. So as you can see right now, this video is playing, and then this video is playing over here, and then we have this video over here and this one as well. So all these videos are playing right at the background, so that YouTube can register that I am actually watching these. Now, if I go back, all right, if I go back to YouTube, I go back to the home page, if I close these up, let me just, there was a lot of videos, and I reload the page. Now, as you can see, most of the videos that are popping up, as you can see, this one right here, this one right here, this one, or, down below, like this one, yoga. Because of the algorithm, now I have searched for a certain thing, and now the algorithm has seen my search. It will now register them and show me those videos as well. So that's how basically the algorithm works. So it's really simple, it's really easy, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, YouTube, and I'm going to show you a trick to find videos if they are doing well, if they have been trending or not. So for that, let's just come over here and let's just see this video right here. All right, came out 4 days ago. Okay, this is one of the creators I really enjoy. So over here he has a million. No, we'll choose another video. Wait, we'll just choose a topic. All right, we'll find a topic that we want to make a video on. So for example, let's just say that we want to make a video on YouTube. Sure, I mean, that's what the topic is, right? Let's just say YouTube, how to get started on YouTube, how to get started, or NFTs. Actually, that's a pretty trendy topic right now. That's also a good idea. But I'm just saying how to get started with NFTs. We'll just search with that video. All right, and I'm also using this tool called TubeBuddy. You can also use this. I'm using the free version right now, but if you use the premium version, then of course you're gonna get way more views. All right, so for this one, I'm just using TubeBuddy to give me like basic information that is gonna help you guys as well. So over here, as you can see, keyword analysis or keyword stat. So over here, most views 3 million, which is this video right here with this keyword NFT in it. This video has 3 million. Least views is going to be 27 million. That's going to be at the bottom. These are the type of information that we have. So, all right, so let's just click on this video right here. And now to find out if a video has gone viral or not, you're going to do two things. You're going to first check out the free way, which is this one. You look at the views, all right, and you look at the subscribers of the channel. So if the views are greater than the channel subscribers, that means that the video got viral and that it's being promoted and stuff like that. So, and over here on the left side, you can see that I have this tool and it's giving me a bunch of different information. It's giving me the views, giving me the comments, likes, and stuff like that. And it's also giving me this option right here, which is the SEO scores. So basically you need to enter in tags in the title, tags in the description, total tags as well, and characters, title, words in description, like stuff like that. If all of those match, then you have done a good SEOs and stuff like that. So as you can see, this video went viral. Now, if we're gonna make a video on topics like these, like how to make NFTs or how to get into crypto worlds and stuff like that, then we're gonna need this tool as well, and we're gonna find out over here as well. So if I come over here and I just search for NFTs, right? NFTs, not fungible tokens. Let's just search for NFTs. It's gonna give me the overall data as well. So what we want to do is we want to change it to worldwide. We're gonna keep it for the last, let's say, 90 days, and we're gonna change this to from web search to YouTube search so that we can see. All right, so over here, as you can see, for the last 90 days, let's go with the last 5 years, right? So this is the data. As you can see, in 2017, nothing, 2018, nothing, 2015, 2020 it basically died, and it started getting attraction in 2021 at February, at the start of 2021. Since then, it's just been growing, right? It reached its peak over here. Let me just see if I can. Here we go. Somewhere around January of 2022. And since then, it has been coming down, but it's still pretty good. So that means that this is a good interest. That is the data. And over here, we can see all of the regions that this data and countries that this word is being searched for. So as you can see, it's really good. And we can also have another software as well. Let's do this one. All right, software topic. All right, it's going to be a topic. I'm going to choose it worldwide and put it on YouTube. And as you can see, for the past let's go with 5, this topic has been increasingly popular. All right, no matter what you do, it goes up and down, but it doesn't dip. It never dips. It always stays up and it remains popular, which is really, really good. So we can make a good video on software as well. So this is a really nice idea. So let's go ahead and do it, shall we? So now we have our topic. We have found a good topic that is constantly trending and it never goes down, which is good. So let's go ahead and make a video on that one. So to make a video on that one, you're going to need 4 tools in my opinion. All right, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one is you can hire someone to do it. For example, if you're going to make a video, you're going to need a voiceover, you're going to need a script, you're going to need a video editor and stuff like that, and maybe a publisher if you don't want to get into that kind of stuff, or a SEO or whatever. So these are the 4 things you're going to need. But if you don't want to do that, you can also do like AI generated voice. So what that would do is it would be less cheaper than a voiceover artist, but it won't be as good. So for example, let's just say that this software, which is called Well Said Labs, you can try this for free. You can find it over here. You can go ahead and make a text to speech software. You can make a voiceover out of your script over here. So you've eliminated that spend, all right, for free as well, I think. And then you need a script, right? Then you put that script over here, it will make a voiceover, and then there you can use that voiceover and maybe like hire a video editor, or if you can do your video editing yourself, you can go ahead and make a video of it as well, and then you can upload the video on YouTube. Pretty easy, right? So to write a script, we're going to use this option right here, Writer. This is a free tool that you can use to write short scripts or whatever you want, or even articles. And then you can download that script or article and you can put it over here into this software. Well Said, you can make a voiceover, you can extract the voiceover over from there, and then you can put that voiceover over here into this website right here, this tool called wave.video, and you can create a very good decent AI generated video. And you can do this process over and over again. Once you've made videos, you can upload them onto YouTube with the proper tags and proper SEO, and of course your video is going to go viral. Why wouldn't it go viral? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Of course it's going to go viral if you follow these steps, you follow these things carefully, right? You do your research, you upload them carefully, you put in the tags, you put in the work, you put in the hours, you're gonna get results. Let's get to it. So over here to use writer, just simply click on start writing. Over here, just simply sign in with Google, and once you've signed in, you can just go ahead and writing. So over here, just choose your idea, what you want to call it. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the select the language, we're gonna select the tone, and we're gonna select the case. All right, so we can over here find like a script. We can go with like video idea over here, and then just simply enter in a, let's say, how to get started with YouTube, right? We can add that. And then what we can do is just simply click on write for me, and then it will write a idea or stuff like that, whatever you want. So over here, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, I think let's go with that one, right? Now what we're gonna do is we want to write a script, and now we're gonna come over here onto this website called Article Forge, and over here what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an account, and you can go ahead and create a very nice script using this website. It is really good. I've tried it before. I've created a script before. It works 100%. And once you created a script, all you have to do is put that script over here, let's just say into this website. All right, just sign up, and you can just go ahead and use this website to create a pretty amazing voiceover. And once you've done that, you can make a video over here with this website. All right, so I've already made a video. All right, let me just show you. So come over here. I have a bunch of voiceovers done over here. This one right here, I made this one as a joke. So we're gonna use this video and we're gonna upload it onto YouTube. So to upload it onto YouTube, all right, it's really simple. Just simply come over here and click on upload video, and just simply upload the video, and you're good to go. So remember guys, to remember to select a good topic, made a good video on it, all right, and add some good tags, do a good SEO optimization, and of course your video is gonna go trending. So that is it for this video guys. All right, that is how you upload different videos onto YouTube and how you make different videos as well. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.